Hello, another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. Well done if you got answer D. Here's my explanation. So a lift of mass m is suspended from a cable. The lift descends with a downward acceleration a frictional force F acts on the lift. What is the tension T in the cable? So always good with this type of question and lots of questions is to draw a diagram, and particularly important is to show the forces acting on this diagram. So the lift is descending and it's accelerating at a rate A. So why is it accelerating at a rate A? It's accelerating at a rate A because there must be a resultant force acting on it. So I can say that resultant force is going to be equal to its mass times its rate of acceleration. I've used big M because they're putting big M into this equation for the mass of the lift. Let's put big M there on the lift. So what are the forces acting on this lift? Well, there's tension force, and we're told to use capital T for the tension. There's its weight acting downwards, which is its mass, I should use big M again, times gravitational field strength. We're also told there's a frictional force F. Well, if the lift's moving downwards, the frictional force F must be acting upwards. So I could take all these forces and I could again find the resultant force just by looking at what these forces are. And I could say the resultant force on the lift is going to be equal to its weight downwards less the tension pulling it upwards, and also take away the frictional force acting upwards. So I've got two equations now for resultant force. So this equation must equal that equation, so I can say that mg minus t minus f is also equal to big M multiplied by A for acceleration. I can do lots of rearranging and I can discover that the tension is equal to mg minus ma minus f, and simplify the whole thing. And that is answer D. If you found the video useful, hit that subscribe button please, share with friends and maybe give me a like as well. Thank you for watching.